Hey guys, welcome to CBSE English Enthusiast. बोर्ड का एग्जाम है 11th March. Lots of chapters to read, lots of things to understand. One very important thing before you proceed to read ahead, go through your chapters. I wanted to discuss the scope of syllabus with you. आपको पता होना चाहिए कितने मार्क्स किस सेक्शन को एलोकेटेड है so that you can work on it, work it out. आपको पता होना चाहिए how to attempt your questions. So that is what we would be discussing in today's class. So English core code number 301. Now you have grade 11 scope of syllabus which was given, which is earlier mentioned in this scope. So we are directly going to grade 12th because we are dealing with grade 12th bifurcation of marks. So we go straight off to grade. How we divide grade 12th is your reading skills. Reading skills has 22 marks allocated. Though unseen passages आएंगे आपको. Passage 1 deals with your discursive writing. It's more of a descriptive writing, more sometimes a story, sometimes a narration. So it's discursive writing. A passage is given of ये दोनों passage मिला के has to be 750 to uh, around 700 to 750 words. So passage 1 has 12 marks allocated to it. Passage 2 has 10 marks. The second is case based passage. It's more of numerical in mannerism and structure. Numerical content hota hai. Sometimes it's analytical, more analytical. The first is more of a descriptive read. The second is case based passage with inputs like a statistical data, a pie chart, a tabular representation, analysis, inference, all that is given. So ये reading section जो है आपका section A है, which is divided in question 1 and 2. Question 1 carries 12 marks, question 2 carries 10 marks. So total becomes your 22 marks. Total is 22 marks for your reading section. So this is section 1. Now coming to your writing section. So section B has 18 marks. अब आप देखो 18 marks कैसे divided है. This is question number 2, section 2 creative writing skills. Question 3 carries 4 marks up to 50 words. It is notice writing up to 50 words. 2 options will be given. You need to select one for 4 marks. One out of 2 options given. You need to write on one. So वो 4 marks कैसे divided है? Format 1, content 1, accuracy or spelling and grammar 1. That is your 4 marks. Question number 4 will have formal and informal invitations and replies. Again up to 50 words. Word limit 50 है. 2 options दिए रहेंगे इसमें. It incorporates invitations, formal, informal both, and replies, formal and informal both. So पूरा invitation or replies इसके अंदर आएगा. Question number 4, you could either get invitations or replies, formal invitations or informal, formal replies or informal. Again, this question carries 4 marks. Question number 5, letter based on verbal and visual input. There are 2 types of letters. Letter type includes application for job जो हमने किया है और letter to the editor. ये हमने किया है. I have put those. I have worked on these concepts. It's in my channel, so you can go ahead, read about letters to editors, letter for job application. This carries 5 marks. Then the 6th question is article and report writing. ये दोनों के बीच में choice होगा. You either can go ahead writing article or go ahead writing a report. इसका भी 5 marks. Word limit है. Format को 1 marks. Organization of ideas को 1 mark. Content 2 marks. Accuracy of spelling and grammar 1 mark. So one important thing to be noted here is आपका grammatical structure of sentences, accuracy should be on points, should be validated by proper grammar rules for you to score these marks. तो ये total जो writing scale है, that is for 18 marks. So 5 marks for question 6, 5 marks for question 5, 4 marks for question 3 and 4. Now we go to the section C of your writing skill, which is literature. अब आप देखो लिटरेचर जो है इट कैरीज 40 मार्क्स. लिटरेचर में जो क्वेश्चन 7 आएगा, देयर विल बी दिस question will be from two poems that you have studied from your Flamingo book. So, एक reference to context is for 6 marks. So, there will be two options given. Any two poems choice will be given. अब इसमें कौन सा poem specified है? It's not mentioned in your syllabus. You could get extracts from any two poem, and then you need to attempt one which carries 6 marks. Question number 8 जो है, that is from your Vista. So prose writing, any two prose extract base 4 marks each. तो आप दो में से एक extract करेंगे, which is question number 8. Question number 9 is prose from Flamingo again. So Flamingo जो आपका main reader है, उससे again को किसी भी दो story से extract based question आ सकता है. It's of 6 marks. So you need to attempt one extract on prose. वापस करें, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 होगा ऑन पोएट्री, तो दो एक्सट्रैक्ट्स में से आपको एक करना होगा. क्वेश्चन 8 इज ऑन प्रोज फ्रॉम योर सप्लीमेंट्री रीडिंग बुक विच इज विस्तास की किताब से आपको दो एक्सट्रैक्ट्स आएंगे, वन यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 इज अगेन प्रोज फ्रॉम फ्लेमिंगो, वन यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट. तो ये क्वेश्चन 7, 8, 9 जो है ये रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं. नाउ गोइंग अहेड टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Going ahead to question number 10. Question number 10 will have short answer question from the entire book. तो आपके पास 6 choices दिए होंगे, आपको any 5 attempt करना है for 2 marks each. So out of the 6 questions given from your Flamingo textbook, you have to attempt any 5. 2 into 5, तो your marks will be 10 marks. So 2 into 5, 10 marks. 11 आपकी विस्तास जो supplementary reading book है, उसमें से there will be 3 extracts given, 3 question reference to sorry 3 questions given, briefly answer in 40 to 50 words. It will be for 2 marks each. तो 3 में से आपको 2 करना है, which is again 2 into 2, 4 marks. Question number 12. अब ये prose poetry, either prose या poetry, कहीं से भी लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. दिस इज फॉर 5 मार्क्स. तो दो क्वेश्चंस होंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 के सब पार्ट्स होंगे. देयर विल बी टू ऑप्शंस गिवन, टू ऑप्शन. क्वेश्चन कैन बी बेस्ड ऑन एनी इंसिडेंट इन द स्टोरी, थीम, passage, extract, event as reference points to assess exploration beyond and across the text. कभी कभी दो chapters के बीच में there's a similarity or a difference driven question जहां पे आपको explore करना है कि ये दो chapter की ये characters same कैसे हैं, अलग कैसे हैं. So you can expect anything out of here. So question number 12 has two questions, A and B. इसमें प्रोज पोएट्री कहीं से भी आपको इंटरटेक्चुअल क्वेश्चंस, इंटर डिसिप्लिनरी क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं, तो किसी एक को पिक करना है. यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट दैट. अगेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 इज फ्रॉम योर लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन बुक विस्तास. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 इज फ्लेमिंगो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 इज फ्रॉम विस्तास द सप्लीमेंट्री रीडिंग टेक्स्ट. इसमें से एनी टू क्वेश्चंस, अगेन लॉन्ग आंसर गाइडेड क्वेश्चंस होगा. किसी भी टू चैप्टर्स के कैरेक्टर्स एनालाइज करेंगे या थीम्स एनालाइज करेंगे, टाइटल्स एनालाइज करेंगे, सिमिलैरिटी और डिफरेंस इन एक्शन ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स और सिचुएशन. तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. सो चैप्टर 30, question 13 again has two options, one or two. You have to pick either one and then attempt to answer that. So it is for 5 marks. So this is how your marking scheme works for grade 12th English syllabus. So there are total 13 questions. Total marks 80 है. 20 marks आपके internal, 10 marks project का होता है, and 10 marks assessment of listening and speaking skill which the school will give you. This text, this entire paper that you're going to write for your board exam on 11th March is for 80 marks. So 80 marks का paper होगा. Reading section has 22 marks, writing has 18 marks, and literature has 40 marks. So all the best. I hope this brought some clarity in the scope of syllabus. All the best. Keep studying, keep solving, and ask me if you want to about any doubts that you might have. Thank you. Bye bye.